Good evening, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. Just a quick video today. Got a box today with a razor in it, so I just figured I'd do a mini little unboxing. It's just the razor. There's nothing else in the box. I've already cut the tape in the box and got rid of the peanuts that are in there, so it's just the wrapped up razor. So get my glasses on here. Extra pair I have hanging around. A whole $1 for this at the dollar store. And the package is from, I don't know if you can see that, New South Wales, Australia. Yeah, it's Yaqi. I mentioned this razor a couple weeks ago, I guess. Well, it arrived today. Let's see, thank you so much for your order. And then you saw the box, and this is the package inside there. See a little tape thing. All right. Tissue paper, wrapping paper. Oh, got a theme. Same symbol on the box. So let's see this thing. I'm trying to remember the name of this is. I don't remember the name of this razor offhand, but I was just too excited to look it up because I wanted to show it to you because I want to see it myself. This is the clone of the Blacklands Vector. So this is the Yaqi version of that in steel. And there it is. See how thin that is? So I liked how thin and they got that thing. I mean, I don't know how it really compares. I want a Vector. They're just out of stock for the last couple of months. Because I want it in steel. I don't want the new titanium. I don't want it at all. I want steel. I want weight of steel. And I'm liking the feel of this in steel. Yeah, a third less weight to have titanium and more than a third more money. No, thank you. I want the stainless steel. So this 3-piece razor takes the artisan style blades, which everybody's getting the chic ones now because you get 20 of those for the price. So oh, look at that. They got the flat little pin too, just like the Vector. Boy, this is a clone of the Vector. Okay. That was like the feeling. Show you like the front. So yeah. And there's the base plate. The slot as far as the front. So it looks like that when it's together. Oh, towards the camera's towards my left. You're right. So there's that. So I wasn't expecting it to even be the post be the same. Okay, I guess that's fairly snug. If you snug it, it stays pretty snug. We'll see what it's like with a blade in it. I might need to put a washer on it. I've got washers. I bought a package of washers, so I kind of got those. Kind of liking this little flute. It's at the bottom there. It's kind of, the 3-finger hold, the second finger, the middle finger just kind of sits there. Yeah, it'll do the job. How's it balance? Okay, balance is just below the 3 lines. So yeah, not a lot of grabby. Even this slots right here, that's not real grabby. It's a little grabby. It's like, we'll see with the soapy hands. It's like, yeah, I can see that I might be having to balance this with my ring finger too down at the base of that just to keep them sliding through my fingers. I can see that happening. But this was $30 versus $200 for the Vector. So get a little polish here. Yeah, it's a matte finish, which is, what do you expect for the $30? Because if I get the Vector, I want the polished finish. I like all finishes, really. I like having a variety of them, but I just want it in the shiny. Guys and shiny things. Okay, this isn't shiny, but yeah, I still like it. So, I'm liking the weight. I'm itching to try this. And I'll try this. You won't see this probably until next Saturday, because this Saturday is going to be the red tip that I've been using this week. I used it yesterday. I'll be using it again tomorrow. Thursday, tomorrow, and then of course Saturday you'll see it after I've had a week with it. I like to use them and give you my thoughts after a week, not just my cold thoughts, brand spanking new. Everybody else is doing that, so I'm trying to give you a little something different. The only time you see me having not used it for the week before is when it's a razor I've already shown you. It's one of my regulars. It's in my rotation already, so I don't bother showing you those. Post because I've already have, I've been using it for a while, so I know. So that's kind of the difference you'll see in my videos. But just wanted you to see this. Hope you enjoyed, and go with God.